much does the average American citizen know about the use of drones by the Obama administration to throw missiles on specific targets abroad? They actually know very little. This situation could actually change if Congress were to follow through on efforts to pressure the Obama administration to be more transparent. Priscilla Huff has more.
Many Americans do not understand why their government is using drone aircraft to fire missiles at targets in Pakistan, Yemen, and other countries, because information is limited.
The administration has put out, when it's deigned to talk about this at all, it's put out two key claims. This policy is narrowly targeted against top-level terrorist leaders, and civilian casualties have been extremely rare. These two claims are contradicted by the record of independent reporting, including mainstream journalism, New York Times, NGO reports. But the American people, the majority of Americans, don't know that.
Independent reporting on the use of drone aircraft by the United States to attack targets in other countries finds that
these attacks don't all appear to be show the need for use of lethal force. And specifically, they don't look like that it was always a last resort, that there were other ways that capture could have been feasible. And then the other thing is that it's not clear that that in these instances that it was really self-defense of the United States.
the U.S. Congress could force the White House to be more transparent about how it is using drone aircraft to strike targets in other countries. But according to the ACLU, the very lawmakers who are supposed to vote on the policies have only been given access to 4 of the 11 legal opinions on the drone missile program.
The other 7 that basically deal with the right to kill, the United States' claim to kill non-citizens around the world, have been hidden even from members of Congress, from senators themselves. And so that's just how tightly.
Now there are efforts underway to change the reporting requirements on the drone aircraft program.
In Congress, the Senate Intelligence Committee has voted to require the administration to publicly report on who's being killed by drone strikes, how many combatants, how many civilians.
The amendment initially failed in the lower chamber, the U.S. House of Representatives, although the sponsor of the amendment has vowed to bring it to the floor for a vote.
Campaigners say the Obama administration has only released a limited amount of information about drone missile strikes, and they say that means the U.S. is not being held to account about what is a fundamentally secretive program. They add that if the U.S. government is supposed to be by and of and for the people, it is time for the White House to come clean so that the American people know what their government is doing when it aims missiles at targets in other countries. Priscilla Huff, Washington.